If you want to check battery usage on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we need to simply find the battery settings, and in battery settings we have battery usage. There we go. Here we can find the information about the battery usage, so you can see what drains the battery the most. Over here we have the list of apps, their screen time and background time, and the percentage of the battery used. We can also switch from view by apps to view by systems, so you can also see if, for example, Wi-Fi uses lots of your battery or anything else. You can also tap on specific days of the week. If you tap on any day, then of course you also have this preview of time throughout the day. So you can choose a specific time, or I don't know, like if you want to see, for example, if let's say at 10 a.m. what happened, what used the battery the most. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!